Hello everyone. Today let's discuss on lifestyle changes to prevent varicose veins. Small changes today, healthier legs tomorrow.
At first, stay active. Regular walking and exercise improve blood circulation.
Next is elevate your legs for 15 to 20 minutes daily to reduce swelling. Avoid prolonged sitting, take breaks, move around and stretch your legs. Eat vein healthy food, include fiber, fruits, vegetables and omega-3 rich foods. Wear compression stockings. Use compression wear if you are at risk or on your feet for long hours.